Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the YouTube mistakes that are destroying your channel. And I know this for a fact because they're destroying mine. And the last one on this list is a game changer that is going to make all the difference in the world to my channel and to yours as well. So before I get into it, just please like, comment, subscribe, share. Leave me a comment and say, hey, great video, horrible video. Hey, I got a small YouTube channel. Give me something. Give me a little bit of something. Subscribing helps, and you have no idea how happy I get when I see that somebody liked my video. So I'm going to get into it real quick. I got my script right here. I'm just going to run through it, and I'm going to help you and help me, and we're going to help each other. Life is going to be beautiful. First thing is stop doing the same thing over and over again. Albert Einstein said the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. And that's what we do all the time. We make the same kind of videos. We make the same kind of content. We film it the same way. We edit it the same way. We don't learn from our mistakes. We don't learn a better process. And we put out the same kind of videos. And then we get upset because we only have 3 views, 10 views, 50 views. We're stuck at 100 views. And we're just not going anywhere. And we blame the algorithm. It's not the algorithm. It's you. And that brings me to my next one, which is to take accountability. If your videos are not gaining popularity, if you're not increasing in views, if you're not seeing that your click-through rate is increasing, if you don't see that you're being put in front of more people, don't say, oh, it's the algorithm hates me, or I can't crack the code. It's not a code. All right. If you're making videos for the algorithm, that's the mistake right there. Take accountability for your actions. Realize that it's your videos and it's you ultimately that's causing your videos to not be seen by as many people as possible. Stop doing the same thing over and over again. Do something different and improve. Take accountability. Realize I'm doing something wrong and just do something better. The next thing is start making videos for your audience. And ask yourself, who's my audience? Who are the key people that I want to watch this video? They should be people like you. They should be people that are interested in the same things that you are. People that want to learn what you have to teach and then market to those people. Don't worry about the algorithm. I'm going to say it over and over again. Stop worrying about the algorithm. Worry about your audience. Worry about the people who are going to be watching your actual videos. Make the videos for them. See what they like. And you're going to learn that by looking at more successful YouTubers that are the people that you watch, the people that you're interested in, because they're making the kind of videos that you want to see. You should be making those as well. Not shot for shot, not title for title, not subject for subject, but learn what they're doing. Do you like a bunch of B-roll? Do you like a bunch of cuts? Do you like a bunch of just a guy sitting in front of a camera talking? You want somebody, whatever you think is interesting, make that video. When you see something new, make that video. Do what is going to be interesting to you and do what's going to be interesting to your audience. Make the videos that your audience wants to see, and they'll be there for you. The next thing is quantity. Now, I'm the last person who should talk about quantity because my challenge right now is to do 30 videos in 30 days. But that's how I learn. I know that's how I learn. I have to learn by doing. So I learn something, and then I put a video out about it. I learned something and I put a video out about it. And I'm just going to keep doing that on and on. And every time I make a video about what I learned, I'm cementing what I learned. That's me personally. And 30 videos in 30 days is stupid. And a lot of the videos are going to be crap. But I made a commitment to myself to do it. I challenged myself to do it, so I'm going to do it. But don't get caught up in the quantity. The quantity isn't necessarily going to help you if you're putting out bad videos. Focus on the quality of the videos. Focus on learning a little bit every day and making the best videos possible. Next thing is, don't get frustrated. It's hard when you see 3 views or 5 views to not get frustrated and go, this sucks. I'm not going to do this anymore. YouTube fucking hates me. I'm done. I had that very same conversation with myself today. I had to force myself to do the research for this video, to script this video. And once I got the title, it became easy. I was doing my research. The title popped up into my head. I said, this is what I'm going to do. I started working on the script. I got my passion back for it. But it's very easy to get frustrated when you're not seeing the results that you want. But here's the thing. Everybody starts from zero. We're all different kinds of people. Some people come in and they do a little bit better. Some people do a little bit worse. But this is what you really want to do, like anything else, keep going. Don't get frustrated. Now, I'm getting into the real nitty gritty here. Okay, so this is the important stuff. Last two things are the most important. Be original. Okay? Like I said, you want to make the kind of videos that you want to see, the kind of videos that your audience wants to see. That's what's important. Absolutely. And I said to do that, watch the more popular YouTubers. Absolutely, 100%. They're the ones that are getting all the views. They're the ones that you're part of their audience. And if you're going to be making similar videos, their audience is going to become your audience. Do not rip them off. You have to have your own voice. You have to make your own kind of videos. You're a unique person. Be you. Be who you really are. This is who I really am. I'm being me. You can't be somebody else and think you're going to be successful. You're going to come off as a fraud, and it's never going to work for you. Be original. And the final thing that I'm going to tell you, and the most important thing that I'm going to say, again, stop worrying about the algorithm. Stop trying to learn YouTube hacks that are going to teach you how to beat the algorithm and get 100,000 likes and subscribers. Focus on making better videos. Focus on making the videos for your audience. Those are the people that you need to impress. Those are the people that you need to make happy. When you stop worrying about the algorithm and you worry about your audience, the numbers are going to come. It's going to happen because one person's going to lead to another. And the more engagement that you get, the more the algorithm does pick up on you. You're not getting picked up and you're not being shown to thousands of people because you don't have the engagement. And you don't have the engagement because you're not making the kind of video that someone wants to engage with. So make the video that people want to engage with, the video that people want to watch, the people that your audience are going to cling to. And once you do that, your numbers are going to start to climb. And that's where success comes from. So that's it, guys. Those are the YouTube mistakes that are killing your channel. I know they've been killing mine. I've been putting all these things into effect, and I'm starting to see a difference already. So again, please like, comment, and subscribe. And go out there and catch your first fish. Have a great night, everybody. Take care.